The Anglo-Saxons also made many scientific advancements. The Anglo-Saxons made some astronomical observations, though not advanced by modern standards, which influenced their calendar and how they kept time. Monastic scriptoria were centres where monks worked to copy and preserve important manuscripts by hand. These quiet, dedicated spaces played a key role in keeping knowledge alive during times when books were rare and precious. Monks would spend hours copying religious texts, classical works, and historical records, often adding careful illustrations and notes in the margins. Thanks to their efforts, many writings from earlier centuries survived, including parts of the Bible, ancient philosophy, and early records of English history. The Anglo-Saxons were truly experts in record keeping, and we owe a great deal to them in modern times. They also used standardized weights and measures in trade, which helped make sure deals were fair and consistent. This system allowed folk to buy and sell with a bit more trust, knowing that a pound of grain or a yard of cloth meant the same across different markets. It showed a practical approach to business and helped build a sense of order in everyday life. The Anglo-Saxon laid the groundwork for the modern imperial system. They used units like the pound, yard, and gallon, although not exactly as we know them today. Some Anglo-Saxon trading hubs had designated marketplaces, where goods were bought and sold using standardized weights and measures. These early efforts at regulation marked the beginnings of a more organized system of trade, creating a sense of fairness and trust among merchants and buyers. By setting clear rules and expectations, these marketplaces helped reduce disputes and encourage trade between different regions. They also allowed local authorities to monitor commerce more easily, sometimes collecting taxes or tolls in the process. Over time, this system helped shape the structure of medieval economies and laid the foundation for later trade laws and measurement standards.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.